Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna basically start my project exhaust replacement project. So as you can see, my bike is been put up on a stand here, and I'm gonna basically replace the stock exhaust with a two brother exhaust system in carbon fiber. So let's firstly hear the sound of the standard exhaust first. Let me turn the bike on. Guys, so this is my two brothers exhaust system. I just picked this up from Revzilla. So this is a raced exhaust system. Let's just open it up. You can see it's a two brothers black series, carbon fiber. And let's look at the thing here. Look at that. Okay, so it comes with that, and then we have, I guess we have this, then we have this thing here. Okay, I'm gonna start this project and put on the new two brothers exhaust. There we go, black series. Okay, let's get this project started.